Hi, welcome back to another recipe. In today's video we are going to be making some custard ice cream. First, you need to get your custard powder, and this is the size I'm going in for. Just put a reasonable amount in it, but in this video we are going to use everything. Now you want to add some room temperature water to this. Add a little and then you stir until it's free from lumps. When you are stirring, it may feel a bit sticky. Don't worry, don't add any more water. Just go ahead and stir until you get it like this. You want it to be free from lumps. After you achieve this consistency, you want to go in with some very hot water. I'll have all the detailed ingredients and also the steps in the description, so do well to refer to the description to get everything you need to make this custard ice cream. Now, after you pour your hot water, you want to stir immediately to also take out the lumps. You don't want to have lumps in it. You want everything to be smooth. If you want to use milk powder, then you have to dissolve your milk powder with some warm water. Also, if you are using milk, make sure your milk is warm because you are going to add it to the warm custard just like this. When it comes to making ice cream, I always say do what suits your preference. If you want enough milk, just go ahead and add that. If you want a lot of sweetener in it, just go ahead and add that. In this video, we are going to use condensed milk as a sweetener. If you want to use sugar, honey, anyone you prefer, just go ahead and use what suits your preference. I added that to it and I'm going to mix these. Like I said earlier, depending on how sweet you want your ice cream to be, just adjust the things to suit that and you are going to enjoy it. I'll list the ingredients in the description like always. And after mixing everything, you realize you have a very smooth consistency, and that is exactly what we want to go in for. Now you can get your popsicle molds, you can get your cups, you can get your rubber or any nylon, and you are going to measure this into it, or you just pour it into it and then you tie it or put in some popsicle sticks and you keep it in your freezer. Now with this style of rubber, if you want that, then you should check out Home Besties on Instagram and TikTok to get this type of popsicle rubber. They are stylish and they are very convenient, so just do well to get that from Home Besties. I'll put their link in the description, so you do well to follow them to get your popsicle rubber. This is one of the best ways I make my custard ice cream. I have other recipes on this page and I'm going to link them in the description so you can look at those videos as well. Maybe you'll find the one that works perfectly for you and you go in for that. So we'll just put this in the freezer and then about 8 hours, 12 hours, or depending on how you want it to keep long in your freezer, but it should be freezed enough for you to enjoy. Now after that, our custard ice cream is just ready to be served and enjoyed. If this video helps you, do not forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments. Also subscribe to this amazing channel so you do not miss out on any video. Click on that bell notification icon so you become part of the notification gang. Alright, I hope you enjoy this ice cream for the new year, and let me know how it goes after you try that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to check my other social media platform like Instagram and TikTok because I have a lot of content there for you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.